everyone, it's your math teacher, Teacher Tena. And today, we are going to learn about highest common factor, or HCF. Are you ready? If you are, then let's go. First, let's have our vocabulary words. Highest common factor. Repeat after me. Highest common factor. Let's spell highest common factor. H I G H E S T C O M M O N F A C T O R. Highest common factor, or HCF. So, how to find the HCF? First, by listing all factors. Second, by division algorithm. So let's try listing all factors. What is the HCF of 40 and 48? Okay, so here is the factors of 40. And here is the factors of 48. Now we are going to look for the highest common factor. So highest means greatest. And common means the same factor. Okay? So 8. Here we have 8 because 8 is the highest common factor. So 8 is the highest common factor of 40 and 48. Now let's try division algorithm. So here, we use only factors that can divide both quotients at the same time. That is 2. So we use 2. So here, again, we have our prime numbers guide. So 40 divided by 2 equals 20. 48 divided by 2 equals 24. Now we divide further. 20 divided by 2 equals 10. And 24 divided by 2 equals 12. Again, we divide. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. And 12 divided by 2 equals 6. If one of the quotients becomes indivisible, divide them by the next prime factor. But for this one, we divide everything by 2. And 5 and 6 cannot be divided any further. So, divide until the quotients have no more common factors. So for 5 and 6, there are no more common factors. Now, let's find the product of these numbers. So, 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. So 8 here is your HCF, or highest common factor. Okay, now let's have another example. What is the HCF of 30 and 36? Let's list the factors of 30. Here are the factors of 30. Now let's list the factors of 36. Here are the factors of 36. Now let's find the highest common factor. So for this case, we have 6. 6 is the highest common factor of 30 and 36. Now let's try division algorithm. Okay? We start from step 1. Use only factors that can divide both quotients at the same time. That is 2. So we have our prime number guide. So 30 divided by 2 equals 15. 36 divided by 2 equals 18. Okay, so these ones cannot be divided by 2 anymore. So we divide them by the next prime factor, that is 3. The next prime factor is 3. So 15 divided by 3 equals 5, and 18 divided by 3 equals 6. Now we divide until the quotients have no more common factors. So here, 5 and 6 have no more common factors, so we cannot divide anymore. Next, we find the product of 2 and 3. So, 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 is your highest common factor. Another example. What is the HCF of 48 and 72? So here, we list the factors of 48, and here, we list the factors of 72. So let's find the highest common factor. So, for this pair, we have 24. 24 is the highest common factor of 48 and 72. Now let's try division algorithm. So here, we use factors that can divide both quotients at the same time using our prime number guide. So here, 48 divided by 2 equals 24, and 72 divided by 2 equals 36. Now we divide further by 2 again. So 24 divided by 2 equals 12, and 36 divided by 2 equals 18. Now we divide again by 2. 12 divided by 2 equals 6, and 18 divided by 2 equals 9. Okay, so now we cannot divide it by 2, so we divide them by the next prime factor, that is 3. 3. So 6 divided by 3 equals 2, and 9 divided by 3 equals 3. We divide until the quotients have no more common factors. So for 2 and 3, there are no more common factors. So now let's find the product of these numbers. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals 24. So 24 is your highest common factor. Okay, now let's work together and practice your skills. Okay, I will give you 20 seconds to answer. So are you ready? If you are, I will read the question. Which is the highest common factor of 9 and 18? Ready, set, go. Okay, time's up. The correct answer is letter C, 9. Next question. Which is the highest common factor of 12 and 24? Go. Okay, time's up. The correct answer is letter D, 12. Next question. Which is the highest common factor of 26 and 39? Go. You can pause the video if you need more time. Okay, time is up. The correct answer is letter C, 13. Okay, next question. Which is the highest common factor of 30 and 35? Go. Okay, time is up. The correct answer is letter B, 5. Okay, now, which is the highest common factor of 22 and 44? Go. Time's up. The correct answer is letter C, 22. So did you get most of the answers correct? If you did, good job. So that's our lesson for today about the highest common factors. I hope you understand a lot. Continue studying hard. Thank you for listening. And see you in our next video. Goodbye!